Hello everyone. So I just received the Pyxis 12K from Blackmagic and I paid 4,800 euros. I think it's probably the cheapest that I could find with some discount. So pretty happy about that. So I'm going to unbox it and then I will do another video for rigging it. So I'm just waiting for some other pieces. And that's it. So plastic is away. So what's inside the box? A welcome pamphlet, Blackmagic sticker, which is cool, the DaVinci Resolve Studio license, which I already have from my previous Blackmagic pocket seminar camera 6K, a side handle for this for the SSD, which I'm not using it. I'm going to install the NVMe, so maybe I'll modify this. And then let's see what's inside here, the box on the side. So let me put this guy here. There should be some the power supply. Here, what's inside here? Oh, these are the adapters for every plugs on the planet, which I don't understand why they don't just give you the one that you want, like for Europe and stuff. So this is, for example, I'm going to use this one for Europe, and then the other ones, I have no idea what I'm going to do. You know, usually when you travel, you have adapters, an adapter for every plugs. You don't bring, 10 of this for 10 different plugs. It doesn't make any sense. Not sure why. So this is a AC plug for Europe, okay? And then there should be the power supply here. Power supply, which is, okay, so, oh, okay, so this slides like this, okay? Power supply with the 2-pin, yep, plug, okay, great. And this is just a belt for carrying. Oh no, it's Velcro for the SSD stuff. It's like this guy. And okay, great. Let's put it on the side. These are just screws to screw it inside the side plate. Okay, great. Nothing else inside here. Let me put back this guy, the one that I'm never going to use. Such a waste. It's not only Blackmagic, other electronic provider or devices, they wasted so much stuff with this. Not sure why. So I'll put it on the side here, and this is the box. Let me put it back here. So this is the, okay, and this is the camera. Wow, pretty hefty weight to it. I would thought it would weight a little bit less, kind of heavy in the front, but has the size. I thought it was much bigger. I'm very surprised how small it is. All vents here, so no weather sealed, so no waterproof or anything. Here you need to be very careful. This is the side of the screen, and the bottom vents here too, so you can actually see through. And this is the other side with the plate. This, I think this plastic. The other one, yeah, it's plastic too. I thought it would be cooler, would be like aluminum, but they're not. They went with plastic. I'm going to adapt this for the NVMe. Actually, let me show you. Well, let's finish this. And then the back, the two express cards input, Ethernet, the two jacks are USB, microphone here, headphones, switch, the BTPU battery, I have to check this, the power supply goes here, and in front, channel 1 for the audio, I think, and this is the USB for the, this is data and power for the screen, 12K, very cool. So I'm going to test it, maybe I'll do the update for the software, if there is any, and we'll see how it goes. Let me put, actually let me put this one like that, and I'm going to show you quickly what I'm talking about, the NVMe. So I have NVMe. People use USB, use SSD, but I wanted to use an NVMe, which are much faster. So I can put it on the side like this, and the USB goes on here to here, which is great. They don't weigh anything, so these are 2 terabyte or 1 terabyte, I think, and the speed should be good enough for 12K, 8K for sure. Very cool. Anyway, stay tuned for a rig update video, and I'll see you on next video. Bye bye.